Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to add a coupon in Acuity. First, log into your Acuity dashboard. Next, go to Appointment Types and Coupons. Once it coupons, you can click New Coupon for Appointments. Then you will add your coupon code, the discount that you would like, how many times they can use this coupon, if you have a total number of uses across any customer, or each customer can use this once, or there's unlimited uses. Then you can set it to a specific appointment type or any appointment type, and you can set when it expires. Once you've filled out this information, you can click Save Coupon. That adds your coupon to your coupons list. So that is how to add a coupon in Acuity.